This guy, he's gonna be my driver. We're gonna drive up to Ontario and I'm gonna go buy a drone. I found it on Facebook Market. I think it's DJI Mini Pro 3. Yeah, that's gonna be my new drone. I used to have a Mini 2 that crashed it on the ocean about years ago. So now I'm trying to get a new one. About to cross Oregon. That's the border. Idaho, Oregon.
Welcome to Oregon is what they say.
Said, welcome to Oregon.
Hey bro, phải mâm lên nha. Qua lên đây.
So this the bottom right one here.
So yeah, I just got the drone. It seems pretty good so far.
No.
Welcome to Idaho. Now we're going back to Idaho. The wind better not be strong up there. Not gonna lie, this shit feels so uncomfortable. Yeah. Whew. That was hard because I got two bags. Please, please don't crash my drone. This is the only one that I got, and I spent about $500 yesterday on this. The wind is not bad up here. It's pretty good. I was so nervous because I haven't used my hand to grab the drone tilt over. I haven't used that for a while, and in the same time I was nervous to land on top of the bridge because if it land, I feel like it's gonna like bounce off and fall off and crash or whatever. Just weird thought, you know. But yeah, so far it's pretty good. It's pretty good. And now I'm gonna go to next location up in the hill. Let's go. On you, bro. Good luck.
Alright.
You got this. Double front. Woo! That one was clean.
Who do you film for?
It's just for YouTube. Bro, that was clean, bro. That was good.
Wait, are you the guy that goes to Horseshoe Bend
Yeah.
and runs across the top?
Yep. Wait. Yeah. How do you know?
Your video.
Oh, my videos. Yeah, it went pretty viral.
So's life.
Yep. Bro, that's sick, bro. Woo. Your turn. Your turn, young man. It's time for death dive. Now I'm gonna do a ginger flip. 3. Yo, what's next?
Dunk jump.
Just got done with the bridge. I didn't expect myself to jump off, but somehow I did. I did death dive, double side, and ginger flip. And now I'm gonna go to the dirt jump. Flew my drone there. This is the bike park, and I'm gonna go up to that rock right there. Fly my drone around all this area. I'm so tired. Climbing this hill took me forever, and I have no water, but I'm strong. And I'm gonna fly my drone. Look at this view though, amazing. That was it for the video. That was really fun flying my drone. And yeah, this is so just go. I also have other 2 YouTube channels. It's about parkour. One of them is Soul's Life Shorts and one of them is Soul's Life. Go check it out. I'm gonna try my best to upload like more often on this channel because I love travel. I love like doing crazy things, you know. I love to make the best memory. That's why not like just make video out of it, you know. Stay tuned for the new video, new adventure, new places and all that. Tomorrow I'm gonna be off to Canada and I'm gonna try my best to film a lot. That was it. I will see you next video. Peace out.